brings heightened dangers like fires, gas leaks and electrical issues. The Public Safety Department of the City of Johannesburg has officially launched its annual Integrated Disaster Risk Awareness and Winter Safety Campaign at the Kasama Informal Settlement in Johannesburg this morning. The initiative is particularly timely given the severe cold conditions affecting Gauteng and other regions of the country. Now, the campaign is conducted in collaboration with various stakeholders, including cooperative governance and traditional affairs, provided sleeping bags to the homeless and those residing in tents.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi kuMasipala waseJohannesburg ubambe umkhankaso wokuqwashisa ngezokuphepha kokusetshenziswa kwezifudumezi kakhulukazi emjondolo ngalesi sikhathi samakhaza. Ibamba likamqondisi kwisifunda F uPatrick Baloyi uthi ke bafuna ukufundisa ngezindlela okuyizona ukugwema izinhlekelele.
Given that the weather is not helping at this point in time, so there are lots and lots of risks involved. People actually setting up fires which at times end up disastrous. That is why we're here. We went to the people to educate. It was more of an awareness campaign so that together with them we can be able to minimize the risks of fires around this time.
Kusenjalo Baloyi uthi izinhlekelele eziningi zibangwa ukushiywa kwezifudumezi zinganakiwe.
I mean, people are using, like your brazils, are using paraffin, are using candles, and at times you find that to keep themselves warm, they'll sleep with the brazill and they inhale that carbon monoxide, and then that can actually end up in fatalities. At times, the candles, they burn until they catch maybe furniture, blankets or whatever, and then people end up actually dying out of that. That is why we're actually here to say how can, together with them, minimize those fatalities.
Lo mkhankaso wokuqwashisa kulindeleke uhambele izindawo eziningi zaseJohannesburg, ikakhulukazi emjondolo, uqinisekisa ukuthi imiphakathi iyaphepha ngalesi sikhathi. Ezinabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise